Hello, I'm Philip Stoughton. I am here at Semicon West and I'm on the Seica booth and I'm joined by Dave Webb. Dave, thanks for talking to me. Tell me a bit about what Seica are doing here in the semiconductor industry and what you brought to the show this year.
Yeah, this year we have diversified our product line. We're looking at high power and high current for semiconductor devices that are a little bit unusual, almost a niche market. In addition to that, we have a handler company who we partner with, and they're showcasing their equipment here this year to show what we're doing with the MEMS industry and how we're measuring devices and how we're moving devices. So there's a number of aspects here belong to Seica in kind of terms of partnership and turnkey solutions. And we've been talking about that for some time in the industry. Turnkey is very key for our customers. And it looks like we have maybe a little smoothness around the edges. And we like that look because we're bringing something to the industry that hasn't always been there. So Seica, as a distributor for OSI and Korea, can showcase doing things in a way that brings solutions to unusual requirements. And right now the industry is taking leaps and bounds beyond what we ever thought would be possible. And so we're addressing that in both test and handling.
Yeah, and it's way outside of standard stuff, isn't it? And how does that work in terms of a customer engagement? Are they coming to you with just a challenge that they need solving, or do they have a spec, or how do they engage with you?
Yes, because they're looking for solutions that aren't there yet or are in progress. And that's critical. So they do seek us out and they say, we have a new product that's coming out and it's very leading edge. It's new science. Is there something that you can use in your engineering expertise to address these issues? So if they have an issue, we're there.
Yeah, and that means you've got to have agile innovation, agile R&D, and you've got to be able to bring stuff to market pretty quick. Is that something that you've developed as part of your internal strategy?
Yes, sir, it is. We are able to look at things from top to bottom. Seica has a beautiful solution for testing boards, for testing upright boards, for testing linear boards, to doing automation. And you couple that automation with OSI, and now you have a full turnkey solution that's moving boards as well as components into a known condition. And the engineering to be able to do that through these three companies, Korea, OSI, and Seica, well, it's unusual. There's a lot of skills that have nurtured and grown because of the customer's requirements over the last few years that really showcase well in this particular show.
Yeah, I mean, that's what it's all about, Dave. It's a fast-moving market. Requirements are changing quickly. You've got to be able to respond, and bringing partners together to do that is fundamentally important. Thanks so much for your time, and
You're
thanks
very
for
welcome.
chatting.
Thank you. My pleasure.
Thank you.